Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've had my broccolini boiling away there in just about a centimetre deep of salted water. So I'm just going to get my, normally I'd use kale here, but these are actually some collard greens from my garden and a few broccoli, Brussels sprouts leaves as well. But yeah, a bunch of kale. You just want the leaves torn into so they're not so big, and if the stems are really thick, take them off the stems. I'm just going to get that back on and let that steam for another 2 minutes. Okay, so we've had another 2 minutes there with the green tops, so they're looking nice and tender. So I'm just going to get them off the heat and drain them. So for our macadamia cream, I've got 100 grams of macadamia, so about 3.5 ounces that I've just had soaking for a few minutes in 100 grams of boiling water. I could use just hot water as well. So now I'm going to get some vinegar in. I'm using rice vinegar, but whatever vinegar, or you could use lemon juice if you like, and a good pinch of salt. And then I'm going to use my stick blender to puree this, just because I couldn't be bothered getting the food processor dirty. So it does take a while, but it will get there. The stick blender won't get it as smooth as the food processor, but you know, I actually don't mind it having a few chunks. Great, so when you've got a nice smooth puree, then I'm just going to add a bit of extra virgin olive oil just to make it a bit richer, even though it's got all of its macadamias. But I just like the flavour you get from olive oil, so it depends on how you feel. I'm going to go for 2 tablespoons, but 1 might be enough for you. So just going to stir that in, and then taste and season. You might need some more salt, or might need a bit more vinegar, just depending on how you feel. Then we've got a lovely sauce to go with our greens, or you could use it any way you use hummus. Like, it's really, really super versatile and delicious. So when the greens are drained, I'll just get them back in the pot. I've taken them off the heat. You want to get as much liquid out as you can, so it's just going to make the greens taste watery. And then I'm going to get in, I'm using apple cider vinegar today, but you know, whatever vinegar you like, just something to season them. And I'm going to use some fish sauce, so about a tablespoon of each. You can use soy sauce, of course, or if you don't have fish sauce, and if you want to keep it vegetarian. I quite like the flavour of fish sauce though. Or you could just use salt to season, and the vinegar you don't need that. So then just have a taste and season. And then we're going to serve this with our macadamia cream and some extra roast nuts on top. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.